video will show you how to create your own customized heat map. Once you are logged into Aware, you want to make sure that you are on the Analyze tab. Once you're on the Analyze tab, you're going to scroll down on the panel on the left-hand side and you're going to select Reports. When you choose Reports, the heat maps are actually located inside the Leadership Report Card and Student Learning Reports. Single click. When you single click, you will get the template for creating a heat map. Choose the grade level that you want the heat map for and the content area. When you select that grade level, by default, you will see your campus name. And then the way the program is designed is it automatically chooses 5 years worth of assessments to average together for a longitudinal star analysis. You have the option to customize this on the next screen. So I'm just going to leave it at 5 years back, and I'm not going to do anything here with aggregated local test or wildcard for the time being. When I choose next, now I can actually customize what's going to happen in each of these fields. In the first field, longitudinal star, this will be referred to as checkpoint 1 when you actually print your report. The way we used to view heat maps was by looking at a 3-year comparison across time. So I'm going to first show you how to do that. In order to get maybe my first year to be 2015, I'm simply going to click on the X for the years that I do not want. When I do that, they start going away one at a time. Scroll back down, and I can see that I have just April 2015 for this 3rd grade math test. The next column is actually going to be labeled checkpoint 2 in my heat map. So if I click the plus arrow, and I can search by different fields. I might type in star. And then I want mathematics. I want grade 3. And now I can actually choose my 2016 assessment. When I scroll the bar down and say choose test, now in my second column, I'm going to have the data for May 2016. My wildcard, in order to set up the heat map the way we have looked at them in the past, I'm going to choose the plus sign here. And now my filters are still there. I'm going to choose the May 2017 math test for 2017. Choose test. So now the way my heat map is set up, I could have April 2015, May 2016, and May 2017, all for grade 3 mathematics. Again, these fields can be defined any way you want them. If you wanted to average more than one test together here in longitudinal star, you would select all of the tests that you want averaged together. So I'm going to click Print Report. When I print that report, it's actually going to open an Excel file in the bottom left-hand corner. I click to open that Excel file. I say Enable Editing, and I'm going to actually open this up so that you can see it on the full screen. Okay, and here is my Student Learning Report. The first tab has the Leadership Report Card on it. And then each tab has the different learning reports for the TEKS that are chunked together. But the purpose of this video was to show you the heat maps. The heat maps, if I click the little ... right here on the bottom of my screen, keep going, eventually you will get to the heat map by standard. When I scroll down, here's my checkpoint 1, which was 2015. Checkpoint 2 was 2016, and checkpoint 3, which was 2017. So there's my heat map. If I click the source data, Now I can see the number of items that were assessed for each of those learning standards. Again, 2015, 2016, and 2017. If I scroll to the bottom, it actually shows me here what that source data is coming from. Okay, so that is pretty much the basics of how you build a customized heat map. And if you want to do anything else with this, you would just go back to your reports button in Aware, and you would continue customizing for other subject areas.